Creating a new document and its setting is coming up next. The last tutorial was about the home screen options. So, to create a new document, click on Create New. Here, it will give you a lot of options. On the left side, we will see the preset details where you can put your file name. Next, we have width and height adjustment. Now on the right side, we have measurement unit such as pixel, points, and many more. Here we have got the orientation option and artboard option. Now under the advanced option, we have color modes. One is RGB and another is CMYK. Now, as you might know, most of the display devices use color mode RGB. So you can select that. And CMYK is used for commercial printing. Next thing is pixel per inch. For high quality export or graphics printing, select 300 ppi. Otherwise, 72 ppi is used for web images. Next, on the right side, these are the custom dimensions which I had used in the past. Up here, you can select the templates and presets provided by Adobe. Now, I will click on Create. The next video is about the workspace, so consider subscribing. And you can check the Adobe Illustrator playlist as well. Thank you and goodbye.